Hey guys, on this episode I'll be taking you through the process of creating a Swiss chard planter out of a pallet. And I've already got it Shou Sugi bond, so it's sealed, and it'll be similar to my strawberry planter that I have over here. So first off, I'll show you the planter. It's just sitting against my fence. So you can see it's all nicely sealed up with the fire. Just a matter of putting it in place, wrapping it up with some landscape fabric, and filling it up. Alright, so now I just added the floor on it, and I found out putting it upside down actually fits better on the deck. So I'm going to have to scorch the other side because I didn't actually burn that side. I guess I forgot, but that would have been on the inside, but now it's on the outside. I'd rather it just look nice. I also want to burn the bottom so it's nice and sealed because it'll be on the deck. So, time to burn some stuff. So I got this thing all wrapped now. Now it's time to secure it against the deck. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm just going to finish up this Swiss chard planter now. Last night my camera was about to die and it was getting too dark, but I ended up putting in some shelves to hold the dirt better, which is what I didn't do in this planter over here. So for this one, I just packed it in there with a bunch of leaves, and I tried putting burlap here. For this Swiss chard one, I wanted to try to see if the shelving would work better than this, which I'm guessing it will, but you know, time will tell. So I put a block of wood in all of these, but there's actually a gap. So you can see over here, there's a gap in here. So worms can still travel up and down, and I'm gonna pack this full of compost. So all I've got left for this is to put in a little bit more leaves, and then I'm just gonna pack it full of compost and put my Swiss chard, and also have a couple of kale to go in there, and that'll finish off this planter. If you're wondering why I'm using leaves to pack in there, first off, they're cheap, they're free, I just went and gathered them from around the neighborhood. They'll also break down over time and act as worm food, so help breed some worms in there. I'll have to put some in there to start off with, but and then it'll just be like a slow release food, and then it also, it's filler, so that's basically it. So the planter's all ready now. Compost is all packed nice and tight in there. It only took one bag, which was nice. So I've got all the Swiss chard here to go in there, and I actually have some cauliflower here, which I won't be putting in there, but yeah, we'll put the Swiss chard in. And I thought I had some kale. I have to go check, but yeah, let's put this in. Alright, so it's all done. You can take a look at the Swiss chard planter. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Well, that does it for this one. I feel like this Swiss chard planter turned out better than the strawberry one, and I might go back to the strawberry one and put in some shelves and try to just kind of push back the burlap so you can't see it. But on another day, because my hands are freezing right now. Well, that does it for this video. Hopefully you guys got something from this. Maybe you're inspired to grow some of your own food. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and have a great day.